Hi, this is Math Professor Gina with a short video showing you how to use your calculator to factor. On the right-hand side here, I have a typical problem that we would be given in an algebra class, factoring this polynomial here. And I've also typed up what the solution should be. Down below is a slightly different version of the problem that the calculator is doing. The calculator is taking the existing quadratic and solving this equation, looking for the zeros. Because we're solving a polynomial, what we're going to be using here is this, what's written in blue here, called the polynomial solver. Anything on the calculator that is in blue has to have you use the second button first. So you'll click the second button and then it'll let the calculator know that you want something not on the button but above it. I'm going to click on the cosine button, which will open up the polynomial solver menu. There are two options here, one for a degree 2 polynomial and the other for a degree 3 polynomial. Our polynomial is raised to the second power, so we'll select option 1. Number 1 is highlighted, so I can hit enter here. The calculator is now going to ask you for the coefficients of the polynomial, the numbers that are in front of each of the variables. Our first coefficient, a, is equal to 1, so I'll type 1 and then hit enter. Then it will ask me for the value of b. In this case, b is a -3. Remember that the negative sign is down below, not over here on the right-hand side. That's the subtraction button. Hit enter again, and then we'll enter the value of c, which is -40. Once I hit enter, it will highlight the solve option and then hit enter once again, and it'll show you that one of the solutions is -5. I've got that down here. And then hit enter again. The second solution is 8. So the calculator gives us the two zeros that we would use for graphing. The factored version is, of course, to take the opposite of those numbers and put everything together in parentheses. If you have questions, you can send me an email. Thanks for watching this video.